I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I originally was going to put a 6x6 box in this hole so that I could make a connection in case my wiring was short. But it turned out that my wiring wasn't short. So now I'm going to go with the original plan and put a pulling L in there. But to do that, I need to make a hole this size instead of the hole that size. This size was big enough to handle the conduit, but it's not big enough to let me put the pulling L through there. So how do you drill a hole where you already got a hole with a hole saw? Well, the easiest way is put the size of the original hole saw inside the size of the one you want to cut. This is only 1/4 inch. This won't take a lot to get through it. At least that's what I'm thinking. You know how that goes. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, but it turned into crap. So let's give it a shot. And there we go. How's that for good? Gotta love it.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.